Welcome to TDS Payment Guide from ABSH & Associates. How to make TDS payment. Let's go ahead to make TDS payment hassle-free. To begin, navigate to the secure TDS payment portal. You can access the income tax portal by clicking the designated area on your screen. Next, accurately enter your TAN and mobile number. You will then receive a one-time password, or OTP, on your mobile device for verification. Ensure all details are correct. Verify the company name displayed on the screen matches your TAN details. Once confirmed, click Continue to proceed with the payment process. Then you will navigate to Next page, click on Assessment Year, and select the appropriate assessment year for your TDS payment. For the financial year 2025-26, choose Assessment Year 2026-27. Then, click on the Pay TDS/TCS option. Search the appropriate nature of transaction for payment. Example, contractor, professional, rent, and etc. And click on Continue. Identify your deductee type, either company deductee or other deductee. Choose the category that accurately reflects your situation for proper TDS submission. Select your preferred payment mode. You can choose net banking for convenience, debit card for secure and instant transactions, or pay via UPI from any available payment gateway available. Before submitting your payment, perform a thorough verification. Double-check all entered details, including TAN, amount, deductee type, and selected payment mode to avoid any errors. Finally, review and accept the terms and conditions. This acceptance is crucial for compliance in a successful transaction. Then proceeds to make payment with your credentials. Congratulations, your Challan is paid successfully. After successful transaction, this page will be shown. Click on Download to save your Challan. For more assistance video, kindly subscribe to our channel. We are here to help you. For any questions or assistance, please contact us via phone, email. Thank you for watching this guide.